So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the red skin tone on Premiere Pro easily. Now in order to do, just simply under the effects panel search for Lumetri Color right there. Now once you search it, just simply apply that particular effect to the video clip that you want to fix the red tones. Now just simply under the effects control center, scroll down and go to curves right there, and right in there you need to go for hue versus sat. Now select the red color tone that you want. For example, let's say this one is red. Now just simply adjust the red color to a little bit downwards, and you'll notice that the red color will fade away from your video, and it will definitely give you a quick fix for the red skin tone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.